Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to turn to the last lesson of unit number 2, the past in the present. 2.6, page number 52, it is reduced from the syllabus. So that's why we are taking directly page number 53, the past in the present. This is a play. And who are the characters in this play? Let us see. And do you know about this play? Means there is title, just like a drama, play, movie. So there must be the title, there must be the characters, and also then there must be the dialogues, there must be the curtain, climax. So these qualities must be in the play, and then there will be called the play, there will be called the drama or movie. So let us see, and what are the characters here? Which are the characters here? Neil, a young teenager, a boy from 1950s, Neil's grandpa. Mom, Neil's mother, a lady from 1950s, the boy's grandpa's mother. A lady from 1910, the boy's mother. A lady from 1800, the boy's mother. A lady from 1500, the boy's mother. A lady from 1000, the boy's mother. A lady from the first century, the boy's mother. A lady from 300 BC, the ancestor's mother. So these are the characters that we know. What is the title of this play? The past in the present. The past in the present means they are trying to show what happened, what about the past that should be presented in the present. So this is the play. What is the scene now? The play starts, and before going to start the play, there is scene, a typical teenage boy's room in a messed up state. What is the scene first? Before going to start the play, a typical teenage boys means a boy who is the age of just 12 to 14 years, and there is a study room, and in what condition of the boy's study room? In a messed up state. When it is disturbed, that room is disturbed. Everywhere means not in a sequence. Everything is not in a sequence. That is called messed up state. Now Neil, here is the character Neil. Mom, I put the dishes in the dishwasher just as you asked me to. Now I am going out to meet my friends. And that time enter mom in a mod outfit. Mod outfit, that is the one type of the cloth. So what is the means? Neil is the boy, and what he is saying to his mom, Mom, I put the dishes in the dishwasher, and just as you asked me to, and means what you asked me to do something that I am done. That means the washing the dishes, and now I am going out to my friends. Who said? Neil. Mom said, "Yo, you haven't cleaned up your room." Oh, here is the what I am looking here. It's disturbed. The room is in a messed up state. Means in a disturbed situation, and you didn't clean up the room. So Neil said, "Oh, I cleaned it only 2 days ago." The Neil is saying to his mom, "Oh mom, just I cleaned it up just before 2 days." Mom said, you have to clean up every day. You have to clean it up every day. Mom is suggesting him, oh, whatever it may be, 2 days before you have cleaned it, but now it is looking very in a disturbed manner. It is a messed up state, so you should have to clean up every day. Neil is saying, picking up his books, clothes, headphones, etc. from the floor and bed and putting them in their places. He is following the order of the mom, suggestion of the mom, and just he is taking everything what is laid down on the ground, and just he is picking everything, that is mean the books, clothes, headphones, all those things, no, and he is putting in their places. It is necessary to clean up every day. What differences does it make? Mom said, it does. Mom said, it does. It builds up their right habits, the right attitude. Neil is asking why it is necessary to clean up every day. Mom is saying, hey, it builds up the right habits, the right attitude. Means it will teach us about the right habits and the right attitude if you clean up every day. Neil says, cuts are short. All right. I get enough lecture when school is on. I get enough lectures when school is on. So he's asking to say, he's saying to his mom, I get enough lecture. Now let's stop here your lecture, and when I will come, I will return from school, then it will be on. Mom, after Neil finishes his course, means that was he was in a bad mood. Mom says, that looks much better now, but you forgot to make your bed. Do that and you may go out. You should make your bed and then you may go out, because it looks much better now, but you forgot to make your bed. Everything you place in proper place, but you forgot to make your bed properly. Neil says, irritated. He got angry and just like irritated and said, Mom, it's getting late. The bed is going to be messed up again when I sleep after lunch. Why do you have to make my bed? Why? Oh, he's saying to Mom, oh Mom, the bed is going to be messed up again, because when I will come back from lunch, then I will have to make. Then I have to make my bed again. And why? Mom said, oh, that reminds me something. I heard about your grandpa. When he was in his teens, he had many more daily chores to finish and much together ones too. Mom is saying to Neil, oh Neil, now I remember that about your grandpa. And grandpa, when he was in his teens, means when he was in just 14 years old, then he had many more daily chores. He had many more works and to finish, and much tougher ones too. In those days, he had many works, and those works were many hards and tougher, and then he had to do it. Mom said, on that day his mom had told him firmly. The boy is a teenage boy from 1950s wearing loose trousers and shirt enters with his mother in a silk sari. The boy's mother, make your bed before going out. Now the next scene is there. What happened in the meanwhile? The 1950s, a teenage boy, means it is showed that the boy is in the 1950s, and just he wore the trousers and shirt in those days, dressed, and enters with his mother in a silk sari. The boy's mother said, make your bed before going out. Make your bed before going out. 1950s boy, that time's boy, and because he wore such type of the dress, which he looked like a 1950s boy. But Mama, I have already watered the garden, brought home the groceries, dusted the living room, cleaned up my bicycle. Now, why do I need to make my bed? Oh, that is another scene. 1950s boy he's looking 1950s boy because he wore such type of the dress code, and he said, Mama, I have already watered the garden. brought home the groceries, dusted the living room, and cleaned my bicycle. Now, why do I need to make my bed? Because whatever I have the works, I have completed. I have completed it. And now, then why do I need to make, my bed? The boy's mother say to her son, let me tell you about your grandfather in his teens. He is suggesting that his her boy. Let us tell you about your grandfather in his teens. Grandfather, how did he do the works in those days? And let me tell you about the grandfather in his teens. In his teens means when he was 10 years old or 10 to 15 years old. That time, how did he work? Now let me tell you. 1910 mother. In the meanwhile, enters the 1910 mother. Means, in those times, that mother entered. They are showing in the play such type of the characters in the past. In the past characters, and they are presenting in the present time. Mother 19, you can't go out unless you make your bed. That's the same dialogues, but in that same situation, they are showing in different periods. Before 15 years, before 25 years, then they are going back again 100 years, 50 years. So such type of the scene is displayed on the stage. 1910 boy, Mummy, I fetched the water and filled up the pots, swept the terrace, collected wood for the stove, cleaned the grinding stones. Now that is the scene. 1910, they are going back. Then in second scene was the 1950s. Now the third scene is 1910. Means they are going back. The past. They are going past. Mummy, I fetched the water and filled up the pots, swept the terrace, collected wood for the stove, cleaned the grinding all stones. What I had the work, I completed it. What I have the course, that I have completed. Who said? 1910 boy. Neil said to his mom, what are grinding stones? Yes, they didn't have any electric grinders in those days. Because Neil is in the present, Neil is a modern boy, and he asking his mother, oh mother, what are the grinding stones? Because they didn't have any electric grinders in those days. Mom said, no electricity either in most towns and cities in India then. Mom is saying, yes, in those days there was no electricity in most towns and most towns and cities in India. 1910 boy, I promised to go to the riverside with my friends. Why do I have to make my bed now? 1910 boy, in the past boy, because why is he looking past boy? Because he wore the such type of the dress code which was used to wear in those days, and that's why he's looking 1910 boy, and he's saying, I promised to go to the riverside with my friends. And why do I have to make my bed now? Because I promised my friends to go to the riverside for swimming or for taking the bath. The boy's mother said to her son, let me tell you about your great grandfather who lived in the 19th century. When he was young. That mother is saying to his son, what is he saying? I have to tell you about the great grandfather who lived in the 19th century. Means they are going again past. 1800 mother, son, make everyone's beds. Now also, that scene went in the past, and then mother enters 1800 year, in the 1800s year mother. Before 100 years they went back. Son, make everyone's beds. 1800s boy. Now they are so past. He was also his past. Mother dear, I have washed the clothes at the river and put them up to dry. I also chopped the wood, fixed the broken fence, took the goats up the hill to graze. I want to play atapata with my friends. Why do I have to make the beds? The same situation on the stage. They are presenting in front of the audience, but in different times, in a different periods. 1900, then they went back to 1800. So, but the same situation is same. But but characters are same. Situation is same. But that times work is different. The boy's mother, that's your daily work. Your great grandfather did even more. Now go and make the beds. The boy's mother, 1800 boy's mother said, oh, that's your daily work to make your bed, because your great grandfather did even more than this, and so you have to go to the room and just make the beds. Okay, so that's it for today, and just remaining we will complete in the next video. Thank you.